Hello and welcome to the session. Research method. LO3 review different literature sources to find those most appropriate for the chosen area of research. Are you ready to delve into the art of literature review and conceptualization? This video will guide you through constructing a literature review and understanding its connection to research objectives. Discover how to develop critical review skills and form an integrated conceptual framework. A literature review is crucial for understanding the depth and coverage of your research topic. It ensures the currency and relevance of your sources. The review's conceptual logic supports the development of your framework. Correct referencing is vital throughout this process. A critical review of the literature is essential. Your research project aims to provide solutions to real-world issues. Immersing yourself in the theoretical area is key. Include relevant theories, even from non-management fields. Develop your critical and conceptual faculties. Avoid insularity by breaking new ground. Theory and literature simplify complex issues. They offer explanations for outcomes and identify causation. They justify actions or positions. Understanding these roles is crucial for effective research. They form the backbone of your conceptual framework. Explore theoretical, contextual, and technical literature. Use all three where beneficial, excluding none. Refereed journal articles and conference papers are valuable. Edited collections offer significant insights. Trade press and textbooks serve other purposes. Balance the scope of your literature with focused research objectives. Utilize interlibrary loans and reservations for access. Time management is crucial in this process. Ensure you understand the literature. Integrate your search with your analytical framework. Assess the veracity and currency of your literature. Question what the literature tells you. Consider the author's background and the work's age. Evaluate how it addresses your research objectives. This reflex aids in selecting relevant sources. Identify missing elements in the literature. Check for misrepresentation of contextual specifics. Avoid overly prescriptive or unjustifiably upbeat sources. A critical eye ensures a balanced perspective. This approach refines your literature review. Concepts are abstractions from reality. For example, resource can refer to various elements. These abstractions are foundational for analysis. They help in understanding and organizing research. Conceptualization is key to developing your framework. Concepts are building blocks at the master's level. Some are measurable, like quality and productivity. Others, like leadership and strategy, are not as measurable. These blocks form the basis of your research framework. They guide your analysis and findings. The literature review justifies your analytical framework. It should not be limited to framework sources. Supporting references enhance the framework. This framework guides your research and analysis. It connects theoretical concepts with practical applications. A conceptual model visually connects variables. It uses geometric shapes and arrows to show relationships. Ensure relationships are accurately represented. Avoid implied monocausality and unidirectional relationships. This model aids in understanding research constructs. Demonstrating conceptual ability is integral to master's studies. It provides a lens for analyzing research objectives. This structure supports Chapter 4 of your work. It allows for structured presentation and evaluation of data. Remember, Chapter 4 focuses on findings. Finding suitable models can be challenging. Your objectives and context are unique. Off-the-shelf models may not exist. Assemble your review from existing models or develop your own. This approach tailors the review to your research needs. Consider the example by Christian Horn and Alexander Brem. Their work on innovation management offers a framework. It illustrates how models can guide research. Study such examples to inform your approach. They provide insights into effective conceptualization. Objectives guide the scope of your literature review. Too many or ill-defined objectives can widen the scope. A wide review may seem impressive but can be unwieldy. It complicates data collection and analysis. Focused objectives streamline the review process. An overblown literature review may look great on paper. However, it challenges utility for structuring Chapter 4. Massive reviews require extensive data efforts. Focus on relevant models to avoid this pitfall. Streamlined reviews enhance research efficiency. Your objectives may require multiple models. These can come from one or various literature areas. Integration forms a comprehensive analysis framework. It ensures all aspects of your research are covered. This approach strengthens your findings. Your analytical framework need not be complex. It can be a list of analytical headings. Explain the links between these headings. This simplicity aids in clear communication of ideas. It ensures your research remains accessible. A conceptual model connects constructs based on theory. It visually displays major research constructs. Ensure accuracy in representing relationships. Avoid implied monocausality. A well-constructed model enhances understanding. In conclusion, reviewing a range of literature sources is essential for identifying the most appropriate materials for the chosen area of research. By critically evaluating academic journals, books, industry reports, and credible online sources, researchers can ensure the information used is relevant, reliable, and up-to-date. This process helps establish a strong theoretical foundation, identify research gaps, and support the development of well-informed research objectives. Effective literature review enhances the quality and credibility of the overall research. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.